Today, I've made 4 different masks on one sheet of paper. Welcome, this is Rozani. And I love to make masks using different types of paper. Now, I fold it, and then I illustrate my mask, which I did here, adding 4 different looks. This will be my template for making any of these masks. The views are A, B, C, and D. I'll be working first on D. Here we go. I begin by tracing. You can use transparent film or translucent sheets. I'll be using some of my gift tissue paper to do the tracing. If you already have tracing paper, that's perfect. Otherwise, it's totally up to you and whatever you have handy. And I just go all the way around using a pencil. I'll only be cutting a half of a mask because this is on the fold. Once that it's been cut, I'll have a template to use. I can make several masks out of this one. I now can trace it onto a full-size sheet of paper or fabric if I choose. So I could still keep this original drawing as my master pattern. And this one could be trimmed down for view B as well. It's totally up to you. It's time to place it on the paper. I chose this color. You can use any color you like. But this is, I believe, 20 or 24 weight paper. You're welcome to use cardstock if you like. And of course, once it's traced, I cut it out on the fold, just like this. Imagine the fun you can have creating your own mask designs. Now, from this point on, I could decide how I want to proceed. And you can too. These are great for papier mâché projects. You can use the strip method, which is also known as cartapesta. You can add a stem. You could also cover them with fabric and trim or plumes. There's so many choices. So if you're interested in mask making and would like to make any of these masks from start to finish, I invite you to take one of my mini courses or purchase an instruction guide where I will be going more into depth with the step-by-step process of helping you design and create your very own mask from start to finish. Please feel free to use this original template for several of your masks. This is only one way of creating a master pattern for your templates. And if you haven't tried this before, let me know what you think of this idea. The carnival season has begun, and there's no time like the present to begin working on your masquerade masks as you enjoy the creative process, because carnival time is fun time for exploring so many possibilities. And there's so much more that we can add on to the masks. Please let me know if you have any questions about this particular style of mask making. I welcome all of your comments. I'm so glad you were able to join me, and I want to thank you. So I'll say bye for now, and I hope to see you next time. Please visit my playlist below for related mask making videos.